Hey guys, Kyle here, classwordofspares.com, and I wanted to show you guys a new product that we actually had made. These are new high gear bushings for BSA and A65 models from 1962 to 1972. These are a two-piece part, replacing the original bushings that come with the high gear, but we made it out of bronze and we decided to make the ID undersized, so if you have a worn main shaft, you can essentially hone the ID to fit any main shaft. So it's a really nice addition if you're rebuilding your transmission on your BSA A65. As simple as removing the old bushings, pressing the new ones in. If you have access to a sun and honing machine, you can go ahead and hone them to the main shaft. If you guys don't have that, you're more than welcome to send it to me, and for a small fee, we can go ahead and install them and size them to your main shaft. Again, we're selling these as a pair, and they're really nice, very high quality bronze bushings, and they're very easy to install. So if you guys are interested, you guys can pick up a pair off the website. I'm going to put all the information in the description below. As always, if you guys have any questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Take it easy.